Hey Boos, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I am going to try out some new MAC products that I bought. I have wanted some MAC products for a really long time, and I wanted to make sure that I got products, not just random products, but products that I really wanted to add to my makeup collection. So I managed to get 3 products. First product that I got is the Deep Dark MINERALIZE Skin Finish Powder. If I know how to open it. Yeah. So it's this shade, which is Deep Dark. So yeah, this is what I'll be using today, one of the products. Another product that I have is the Studio Fix MAC Powder Plus Foundation, and I have it in the shade NC47. Then I also have the Pro Long Concealer, which is in the shade NW45. And last but not least, I have a mini lipstick from MAC, and it's in the shade Ruby Woo. I've wanted to try this shade for the longest. I used to stay away from red lipsticks because I thought it was just a bit too bright for my skin tone, but I was like, girl, bye. If you want to wear red lipstick, wear red lipstick. So yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoy this video. I am using some other products from other brands, but this video is mainly focusing on new products that I've bought from MAC. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. First of all, I'm going to start doing is my eyebrows. So I'm literally just going to go around the outlines my brows because I really like the shape anyway. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a bit of the MAC Pro Longwear shade NC45 just to go underneath my eyebrows. So one thing that I do know about this product is a little bit goes a long way. So yeah, this is the shade. It's very rich. That's one thing I can say. It's a really rich, warm brown colour. Wow, that's really lovely. It literally just blends into my skin tone, but still gives it enough of a pop. The key to good eyebrows, guys, is just don't rush and don't speak whilst you're doing them. So that is it for my eyebrows, guys. If my eyebrows weren't freshly done, then I would have gone on top as well, but for me that is enough. So guys, because I don't have a foundation from MAC, what I will be using is the L'Oreal True Matte. I am just using a really small amount because I don't want this look to be heavy. I really want to just show off the products that I bought from MAC. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go in and use the concealer just a little bit underneath my eyes and in other areas that I would usually use the concealer. Again, I'm just going to use one full pump and then get my brush. Whilst that's just setting, I am going to go in and do my lips. What I'm using is the MAC Chestnut lip liner, and this is my go-to lip liner, guys. Let me get this small mirror. Okay, that's done. I'll put the Ruby Woo on in just a second. So now I'm going to use my beauty blender that is already been soaked in water. So it's got that nice springiness to it. So yeah, I'm going to start blending out my under eye. I really do love this shade, by the way. And you just want to lift it into the skin. Wow. Now what I'm going to use, guys, is my Studio Fix powder in the shade NC47. I'm going to use this round brush just to set under eye. This product, I'm literally pushing it into my skin. Wow, it feels so lightweight. Okay, that's it. Now what I'm going to go in second to last, I'm going to use my Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish powder. I'm going to use this brush. Just go along like that. Wow, that is... That's done. Lastly, guys, now I'm going to use my little mini Ruby Woo lipstick. Obviously, guys, I have the MAC lip liner in Chestnut on, so it does make it a bit darker. And then I'm just going to use a bit more of this just to go around my mouth, just to make sure that there isn't any line. So let's just end this with a bit of mascara, guys. Come on. Okay, guys, this is the end of the look. Wow. I really love how all the products came out. Obviously I added some other ones which aren't MAC related, but we don't need to focus on that. My favorite, if I'm honest, I will have to say it's a Studio Fix powder plus foundation. Guys, it literally feels like nothing's on my face. Nothing is on my face. Now I have this product, I don't have to go through the whole baking and setting and baking palaver. I can just literally put this underneath my eye and it's set. It looks sleek, it looks flawless. That's what we need. So if you're looking for a setting powder alternative, Studio Fix powder foundation is the one for the winner. Okay, so I had a lot of fun filming this video, guys. If you would like me to do more reviews on products, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. God bless you. See you in my next one. Bye.